I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Groundhogg. Select a form. Contact Create. Next. Now here search and select Sendy. To get API key, go to Sendy Dashboard. Click your account in the top right side corner, then click Setting. Now navigate to your API key section. Copy the API key. Paste it here. Now copy the domain name that is Sendy URL. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the brand and list. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Sendy. Click Next. Now save the integration. Go to Groundhogg Dashboard and Contact. Add New. Create contact. Contact created successfully. Now navigate Sendy brand page and click View All List. Select the list. Here is the data that came into Sendy through the integration. Thanks for watching.